Make music using AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up this platform called Udio.com, and over here you can sign up using your Google account, and after that this is how it will appear. Here you can see different songs from other people as well. You can listen to them, and if you want to create your own, simply select this option of creation at the top, and here just type a description about your song and the kind of song that you are looking for. Simply select the options from here, whether you want a classic rock, alternative rock or pop. Just simply select it accordingly. Here you can select whether you want custom lyrics of your own and you want to add those lyrics over here. Simply select this one. If you just want an instrumental song or audio, select this option, and if you want the AI to generate the lyrics for you, then select this option of auto generate. And after selecting all these options, simply click on this option of create, and after waiting for a while you would be getting these options or these songs. Here you get different options like remix, extend and publish. Just choose them accordingly. Suppose you like this particular song, you can click on this option of extend, and this song will be extended by 30 seconds. So this is how it will work. You get different options over here, like you can shade it up, you can download it, and in case if you don't like it, you can also delete it. So this is how it will work. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.